Hello, my name is Latoya, and today I'm going to show you how I take this planner kit and turn this happy planner from this to this. Keep watching. Hello, and welcome to Planning with Toya B. I'm Latoya. Here, the focus is Plan with Me's planner stickers, hauls, and reviews, as well as mommy hauls and reviews from time to time. Please join our fam. And don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell. Now let's get started. So this week is MK 319 After the Rain. So I really do like the color scheme here. It's awesome. Now this is DD 4A. This is where we're going to put the quote on. If you're interested in certain parts of the video, the timestamps are in the description. If this is adding any value and helping you in any way, to like and subscribe. We have AO2, and that is the plum header strip. That means it goes all the way across. It's not individual. And then we have our individual, which is AO3, and those are the individual headers. Check out Planning with Toya B on my IG to get more planning and inspirational content. The fact that I have two of AO7, which is the sidebar. Now, I really like this sidebar. One says after the rain comes the sun, which is, it's called After the Rain. And then those two flowers. Then we have AO14, which are the icons, the icon dots, and then we have the AO15, which are the scallop labels, and I use those for mood checker. But that is AO6, and then I have AO17, which is the clip art, and clip art is $4.50. Now I did, however, want to show you that this strip right here comes off of S79, which is a header. I don't think she has this anymore, but Planner Kate, anything that isn't in a sample has like washi on the side, and that washi looks gorgeous. Even though it's called After the Rain, it's May, y'all. I'm not feeling raindrops. That would have been for April for me. So by using this, I'm able to do a washi that I like. This week is May 24th through 30. So like I said, when you don't like the washi, you can use one of those side extra pieces, child. So we just gonna pull that up, and now we're gonna put the white out on all of the headers and all of the items that I am not going to be using. And I am also going to take that extra piece that I ripped up, and I am going to put it as the header on the top. And when I finish doing the overall sample explaining, I forgot to put my vertical in here because I did not order thick washi this time. So I'm trying to decide what color, and there was a lot of purple. So I decided on 207Q2. It's blue, which is another beautiful color in this color scheme, but is not as powerful as the purple is. So I wanted to use that as one of the colors. As you can see, they're using blue for the dots, so that worked perfectly. I'm getting so good about not tripping on stuff being crooked. Now this is my little man. This is Rashad. He's my eldest son. He wanted to smell the flowers. My boys got me for Mother's Day these flowers that y'all see me turning. So he wanted to smell them, y'all. Oh, so I just left it in there. So now I'm gonna go ahead and pull out my family time and put that on, because I've already done my 3 boxes, and now I'm putting the initials on for my sons and for my husband. For those of you that are new to my channel, I do family time as a part of my actual layout on the left hand side. So that's where I put my memories for that week. Now I'm gonna do some surgery on this sticker, y'all. The other stickers were a checkbox and some headers, but I'm trying to do some surgery because I'm trying to save this flower. It looks so pretty, but for all my surgery, it didn't work. I still ended up covering up. So it is what it is. So now I'm putting this week and my little heart checker for my health and my money checker for my check box for my money checker. And now I'm putting in the header there for the to call. So I normally put the to call at the bottom. I decided this time I'd put it at the top. It was a little extra room, so I put it up there instead. And now I'm just putting in the house, the important, what I'm going to watch on TV that week, and the car if any, and that little stethoscope, and now some clip art in, which I thought was really cute. Y'all know I saved my Rhonda for the end, but this little bit of flower with flowers and butterflies, they were cute, so I figured I could put them in. And then quote and my calculator, and for some reason I just realized I put the calculator on the wrong side, but oh well. That's because I put that flower. Now I'm using that stencil that we talked about in tools. So if you haven't seen my tool, if you haven't seen my tool video, then please go check that out. I'll put it somewhere here so you guys can see. Now let's go to the left side, and again we're going to put down the washi, rip it up, and put it at the top as a header at the top there. And then we're going to white out the dates. Y'all know that narcolepsy be messing with me, so I have them written down already. And now we're just going to go ahead and put in the stickers. Now this is a very, very deep purple, and I want y'all to see this. This is super deep. This is a very, very deep purple here, but it's a gorgeous purple nevertheless. So we're going to put those in. So now I've got my dates in, and just add that to the multitude that I already have. And then I'm going to put my header on both sides and rip that one up. And I'm gonna have to do some surgery because I done jacked that up and it's all frail and whatnot. So I'm about to pull out my little slice X-Acto blade and clean that up with the knife and get that right. See, boom, clean, nice, even. Woohoo! And in the Bible study, y'all almost ripped that thing up. And then I'm putting on this little sticker because this is my baby's last week of preschool. Y'all, he done made it a whole year of virtual learning. Praise the Lord and pass the cornbread. However, June is gonna be interesting. I ain't got no clue what I'm gonna do then. And I'm putting on a lot of these stickers. Like I said, I batch record, not thinking this is the last week. He ain't gonna have all these classes. But it is what it is. So I'm just putting on my mood chart now. I use the scallops. And then that weekend, like I said, that weekend coloring was so pretty. And to me, it just made it look sad and droopy if it would have been the other one. Now I'm putting in the homework stickers again. He ain't gonna have homework for like 3 of those days. He won't have any Friday. I won't give him any Friday. So I'm putting in last day of preschool, next kindergarten, y'all. I might be on here crying when I do the kindergarten week. Y'all pray for me. So we're gonna put in the hot pink for preschool because JJ's preschool don't stop. That's his godmother, so it's not stopping, not even a little bit. And well, it does stop. He doesn't go in June. And then we got our rubber duckies, for bath time for the boys. Those doggone rubber duckies are so stinking cute. Now I'm pulling off the trash day, the laundry day, the grocery day, and the planner time off of the sampler. And then I'm going to draw my line because y'all, I forgot. I normally do it sooner, but I forgot for my weigh-ins. And there's the right side of the page. Now it's time for Rhonda. So I'm going to put a little bit of clip art in here, but really it's all about Rhonda. So this Rhonda here on the very far left, I'm going to use that first because that's the last of that sticker. Then we're going to wake up and drink some water and put on my cleaning sticker. And then that clip art I moved. And I had to move the next to over there because it was getting covered by Shad's head. And put that little sticker right there. I've always wanted to do that. I saw Keleva Plan do that all the time. So I had tried just once. And then I'm going to put a couple of more clip art stickers just because I pulled it off of that area, and that is it, y'all, with the little sunflower on the top. All done. No matter what, you are exactly where you need to be today. Bye-bye now. If you'd like to see more, please click the links here and here. Thanks again.